Synido Live Dock E10 Headset Sound Card User Guide. Product Unboxing and Accessories Check. Product Unboxing. Accessories Installation Guide. Take out the earphones. How to install the microphone windscreen. How to secure the microphone cable clip. Proper wearing guide. Identify the left, L, and right, R, earphones. Wear the earphones correctly. Ensure a secure and comfortable fit for the best performance. Multi-device connection guide. Connect directly to Android phones and tablets via the USB-C port. The OTG indicator lights up when the device is ready to use. Use an Apple Lightning adapter to connect to iPhone 14 and earlier models, as well as iPads. The OTG indicator lights up when the device is ready to use. Note, the Apple adapter must be a headphone-compatible Lightning adapter purchased from Apple's official store. For laptops, connect directly via USB-C or use the included USB-A adapter. The OTG indicator lights up when the device is ready to use. For desktop computers, use the USB-A adapter to connect. Enable OTG on your phone. Some Android devices require OTG to be enabled manually. Open Settings. Search for OTG. Find the OTG switch and turn it on, as shown in the video. The OTG indicator lights up when the device is ready to use. How to use your device. Supports voice recording, video recording, TikTok live streaming, and more. Open the voice recorder app, speak into the microphone to record audio. Play back the recording through the earphones. Open the camera app and start recording. Speak into the microphone to record video with audio. Play back the recorded video with real-time audio monitoring and perfect audio-video sync. Open other apps for everyday use, such as TikTok video recording and live streaming, karaoke, in-game voice chat, and more. Earphone controls. Phone volume control. Monitoring volume control. Multimedia button controls. Single press, play/pause music. Double press, next track. Triple press, previous track. Incoming calls, single press to answer/end calls. Microphone mute switch. Sound effect modes, original/KTV/pop/studio. Real-time monitoring on, off. Bluetooth backing track connection. Pair another device with the earphones via Bluetooth. Play background music while recording or streaming. Connection steps. On the second device, search for Bluetooth device. Synido Live Dock E10 then connect. Play music on the second device. The earphones will monitor the background music normally. Continue using other apps on your main device, such as TikTok video recording and live streaming, karaoke, in-game voice chat, and more. Application scenarios. Perfect for a variety of use cases. Karaoke and live streaming, gaming voice chat, wind instrument recording, podcasting and voiceover, mobile content creation and much more.